The Berkshire Grey robotic product sortation system offers a really new and exciting opportunity for solving traditional problems in really sophisticated ways. If you've got an existing tilt tray sorter or an existing Bombay sorter and it's coming to the end of its life, you should absolutely be thinking about the opportunity to upfit with Berkshire Grey technology. The robotic product sortation platform offers meaningfully different labor pictures. We offer systems where fully lights out induction, no humans involved in fulfillment. We also offer manual inductions, which are highly efficient. Operators achieving over 2,000 units per hour on an hourly basis. It also offers automatic takeaway of completed boxes for fulfillment. So a vastly different labor picture is possible compared to traditional sorters. It's also all doing this with best-in-class SKU coverage. So if you've got items that you've got to put little trays on to hold an eyeliner pencil on a sorter, if you've got items that fall apart in your sorter that you've got manual processes for, you'll find that the majority of these items are all eligible for Berkshire Grey, and there's ways to automate fulfillment of items that you thought were ineligible or incompatible with automation. And we're doing all this, by the way, in a very compact footprint. Typically, we are providing the same throughput as a traditional sorter in about half of the square footage. So high throughput, high SKU coverage, all again with a very compact space in your operation. And speaking of that, actually, relative to your operations, it is a highly brownfield compatible solution. We're typically installing these in existing buildings where they've had a sorter running for 20 years and they don't know how they're going to keep that going anymore. We can go into an existing mezzanine where that system lives, and now you've got more capacity, better labor picture in a smaller footprint than what you had previously. So it's a way to future-proof operations in a way that might not have thought possible. And lastly, I should say too, this is all achievable using Berkshire Grey software. So we will deliver our solution in its entirety with all the software that controls it. So you will have very minimal software changes to enact this kind of transformational change. And so you'll have best-in-class new technology, better throughput, better labor, all with minimal changes to your building or to your system architecture. Another thing I'll highlight about the Berkshire Grey platform is that it is highly modular. When I say modular, I mean the systems are individual components that are all work together, all orchestrated together by our software layer. So our individual stations are all independent. And so when one station is down or somebody goes on break from a station, for example, all the other stations are still working. So even if you don't have all your stations active at one time, you still have a tremendous amount of throughput possible coming out of the system. If you compare that to a traditional sorter, if that traditional sorter is down, you have no throughput. If you're interested in robotic product sortation from Berkshire Grey, if you're in your operation and you're looking at an old tilt tray sorter or an old Bombay sorter, you're saying to yourself, how am I going to run this for another 20 years? You should definitely give this consideration. And that can, we're happy to come in and look at your operations, spend time with you, think about your current needs, your future needs, design an expandable system for you. We also use a lot of tools like discrete event simulation to really understand the nuances of your operation and how our systems can work for you and add all this value that we're talking about. So we're happy to spend time with you, work on the design, and make sure that you have a system that you have a lot of confidence in moving forward with, and that you're going to get a tremendous amount of value out of it.